In case you wish to have longer plants, make sure you choose deeper pots. 12. Peas. You can plant up to 6 plants within a 12-inch deep pot of the following baby pea variety: Green Arrow, Maestro, English peas, Sugar-born snap pea. 13. Squash. Use a 5 to 7-inch deep pot so that you can grow lovely winter squash varieties. These may include Cornel bush delicata, Papa pear, Table King.